Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today's video will be about GitHub. GitHub is a website that helps people work together on projects using computers. It's kind of like a big online filing cabinet for code and other type of files. Here's how it works. So you enter the website and create your account. Let's build from here. So you need your email address. Just sign up. What the? Cool. I just entered a smiled face, not knowing where it come from. So sign up. You need to enter something else. No. Welcome to GitHub. Let's begin your adventure. You enter your email, and create a password. So as you see the interface look like something from the cyberpunk, something good. Oh, they need a more stronger password. Password is strong. One letter. You need a username. No one can take my username. Is not available. Wow. This is the first time, but this is available. Think smarter, not harder. Would you like to receive products, updates, and announcement via email? To apply for yes and for no. You for nothing. Yes for yes. Please solve this puzzle to verify that you are a human. Click Start Puzzle to continue. Let's start. Pick one square that shows two identical objects. This one. Done. And we have this one. Done. Easy. So when people work on projects together, they can use GitHub to keep track of all the changes they make to the project. This way everyone can see what's happened, what's been done, and what still needs to be done. And create the account. So GitHub also makes it easy for people to collaborate on code by allowing them to suggest changes to each other's code and review those changes before they add it to the project. This helps make sure that everyone is on the same page and the code works correctly. So we sent a verification code. And a launch code. Better than a verification code. No, we just have to wait. And now, GitHub. Here is your launch code. Control C and paste. Done, right? Yes. How many team members will be joining and working with you? Just me. Are you a student or a teacher? A student. Easy. So, what specific feature are you interested in? Collaborative coding. I just said I am the only one on my team. Yes. Automation and CI/CD. Yes. Security. Yes. Enterprise security. No. We have client apps. We have project management, team administration, and community. Continue. Learn to ship software like a pro. We have the free plan, unlimited public-private repository, 2000 CI/CD in minute, minutes per month, 500 megabytes of package storage, 120 core hours of code space compute, 15 gigabytes of code space storage, community support. We have get additional student benefits. GitHub Pro protects your branch, draft pull requests, pages and wikis, 300 CI/CD minutes per month, 2 gigabytes of package storage, 181 core hours, 180 core hours of code space compute. We have 20 gigabytes of code space storage, web-based support, and others. Apply for GitHub students benefits. Am I a student? Am I allowed to do this? Let's try it out. So you can sign up for the student package, or you can just continue with free, and that's what we are doing right now. Let's go back and choose the free plan. Okay, the page did disappear. Sign up for student pack. University Unlimited, get school benefits, or can I go to the free plan now? No, I can't. What's the name of your school? How do you plan to use GitHub? So reply on these questions and you will be directed to start as a student, and I'm going to go back and get the free plan to show you how it works. So if you aren't neither student or a teacher, you can get free plan or the pro plan for $4. Those are the differences between them. And let's go back to the profile to see what we have here. We have the analytics in a something like a calendar, and we have the repositories here, we have the projects, we have the packages, stars, and here you can edit your profile, the name, the bio, the pronouns, what the hell, the company, the location, the website, your website, and your social accounts. Here we have settings to edit your public profile, to edit old profile. We have the account, the email, the username, the password. Here you can delete your account. The appearances, can enable or disable the night theme, can switch the colors, sensibilities, shortcut and keybind, and others. The billing and plans, email, password authentications, sessions, and other things you can see yourself by yourself. Here we have the home menu. You can navigate. You can add categories to see on your feed. Let's add JavaScript and refresh the feed. Now you will see people who are sharing JavaScript codes, teaching, or maybe just students like you. the maintainers. And I think that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.